History makers, the Wright brothers and the first powered flight. The first successful powered airplane was invented and flown by the Wright brothers, Orville Wright, 1871 to 1948, and Wilbur Wright, 1867 to 1912. Here are some detailed aspects of their achievement. Background and early years. Orville and Wilbur Wright were born in Dayton, Ohio, and grew up in a close-knit family interested in mechanics and technology. They ran a successful bicycle sales and repair shop, which provided them with both practical mechanical experience and financial support for their aviation experiments. Interest in flight. The Wright brothers became fascinated with the idea of flight after reading about the works of previous aviation pioneers such as Otto Lilienthal and Samuel Langley. They started researching and experimenting with the principles of flight, focusing particularly on the problem of control and stability. Experimental phase. In 1900, they began serious aeronautical experiments, initially focusing on gliders to understand the dynamics of flight and the principles of control. They conducted their early experiments in Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, attracted by its consistent winds and soft sand dunes which provided a forgiving landing surface. Achievement of powered flight. After years of experimentation and refinement of their designs, the Wright brothers achieved the first successful powered flight on December 17, 1903. Their aircraft, the Wright Flyer I, was a biplane with a wingspan of 12.3 meters, 40 feet, and was powered by a 12-horsepower engine they designed and built themselves. The flight took place at Kill Devil Hills, near Kitty Hawk, and Orville piloted the historic 12-second flight, covering a distance of 36.5 meters, 120 feet. Subsequent developments. Following their initial success, the Wright brothers continued to refine their designs and made subsequent flights, gradually increasing both the duration and distance of their flights. They demonstrated their aircraft to the military and to the public, eventually securing contracts and establishing themselves as pioneers of aviation. Legacy. The Wright brothers' achievement marked the beginning of the era of powered aviation. Their methodical approach to solving the challenges of flight, especially their breakthrough in achieving control and stability, set a precedent for future aviation pioneers. Their contributions to aviation technology laid the foundation for the rapid advancements in aviation that followed in the 20th century. Overall, the Wright brothers' dedication, innovative spirit, and meticulous approach to engineering and experimentation were instrumental in achieving the first successful powered flight, marking a pivotal moment in human history and opening the door to the age of aviation.